Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn basic programming languages. First, select a language known for its simplicity, like Python, which is excellent for beginners. Next, focus on grasping fundamental concepts such as data types, conditional statements, and functions. Consistent practice is key. Try to code for at least 30 minutes daily to build muscle memory and problem-solving skills. Once you've picked a language, dive into its core concepts. Variables are like containers for information, while control flow statements, such as if else and for loops, dictate the order of execution. Functions allow you to group code for specific tasks, making your programs more organized and efficient. These are the building blocks of any program. To solidify your understanding, start building small projects. This could be a simple calculator or a text-based game. Online platforms offer interactive challenges that provide immediate feedback, helping you learn from mistakes. Don't be afraid to collaborate. Working with others can expose you to different problem-solving techniques and accelerate your learning process. There are countless free resources available, from official documentation to community forums and online courses. Engaging with a coding community can provide invaluable support and motivation as you progress. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity when learning to code. Keep exploring, keep building, and enjoy the journey. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.